Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, your go-to destination for all things curtain decoration. Dive into a world of window wonders and discover the art of transforming any space with the perfect curtains. From elegant wraps to creative dye ideas, our channel is your source of inspiration for adding a touch of style and personality to your windows. Explore a myriad of curtain decoration ideas suitable for every room and taste. Unlock the secrets of balancing functionality and aesthetics in window dressing. Dive into step-by-step tutorials for crafting your own custom curtains and accessories. Stay updated on the latest trends and timeless classics in curtain design. Find solutions to common curtain related challenges and enhance your home decor effortlessly. Join our community of curtain enthusiasts as we embark on a journey to elevate your living spaces through the magic of drapery. Explore a myriad of curtain decoration ideas